Hi, my name is Mike. Thanks for joining us on our YouTube channel, Odd Tide. We call it the Odd Tide because we like to do a couple odd things on cool boats, cool house projects, pretty much things that people advise that we really shouldn't do. And my wife and I think that we can really, see past the crap that other people can't see past and turn it into something that's worthwhile. So join us. You're going to see a couple cool projects. The first one that we're going to start out with is going to be a 1966 Pearson 27-foot powerboat. It's a single engine boat. It is actually the original True North, as I'm sure plenty of you guys are aware of. The other project that we just got done working on is a 1979 32-foot sportfish called a Forrest and Johnson Prowler. The, the old Dingus, the 2012 CJ Tinney from Australia. So join us, see what we can do. My wife has got a background in architecture and interior design. I've got a background running a shipyard for one of the best yacht manufacturers in the world. So anyways, tell us that we can't, promise you we will, and join us, see some cool stuff. Thanks.